Can artificial intelligence improve your pictures? To this video, Luminar Neo is an artificial intelligence powered photo editing software from Skylum. Let's go with Luminar. Catalog. The user interface has three windows: Catalog, Presents, and Edit. Let me show you the catalog. The first step is to add your image. You can add a folder or individual photos. When you have selected all your pictures, Luminar shows the selection. On the left side, you see different categories like single image edits. This is our selection. You can zoom with the scroll mouse button or by clicking on the picture. You can save your favorite pictures with the like button and they will be saved in the favorites. Presents. This window shows effects that have already been defined. Here are some recommendations. Here you see some effects for landscapes, sunsets, in this case portrait, for example this effect. Different types of black and white. When you select one, you can adjust the intensity. We also have some with filters. On my favorite, this selection. We have 4 buttons under our picture. If you press the eyes button, the original image is shown. The second one splits the picture into before and after. The next one is the zoom. The last button returns to the original image or saves it's a present. Layers. So now we are in the edit window. On the right side you see all the tools and a second page called edits. I will explain it later with an example. On the left side, you see the layers. If you press add, you can add filters, for example this one. We can change the position of the layers. We can also change the opacity of our layers. We can choose the type of layers. And this is where the magic happens. We press mask and Luminar automatically detects the subject and the background. We can use the brush and other tools to add overlay parts. Enhance and Skype. In Enhance, we can repeat the same process to separate the subject and the background, in this case the Skype, and adjust different parameters. In Skype, we can replace our Skype in just 1 second. Look at this. Of course, we should adjust some parameters for the light in our subject when the ambient light changes. We can also adjust the orientation of the sky. Color and details. In Essentials, you will find very popular tools like color, but with the magic of Luminar. Look at this. And this is where the magic happens. We press mask and Luminar automatically detects the subject. It also has more mask action like invert. Technically, Details is a really interesting tool to highlight our subject or areas of the image. Creative and more. In this section, for example, I saw some crispy tools. Sunrise. You can add the light of the sunrise to your image and also change the position. Glow. This is one of my top tools that lets you create really dreamy image. Filigrane. This is a cool effect to get a nice film look. We have even more tools for portraits like face. You can add more face light. Or a slim face. And at the end we have more like super contrast, get a really pop of color. Next to the tools, you see edits. Here you can see the whole process from beginning to the end. The best part is that I can edit each effect without it affecting the rest. This means that in other software you can't edit the gradient individually, but in Luminar you can do it easily, and that's really helpful. What do you think about Luminar? I personally think that the software is very helpful for scenting projects and for dark image. If you have any questions, please ask me below and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.